A mother and a daughter has died while another 11-year-old daughter has been injured during a shooting incident committed by a police asset in Sitio San Roque, Banawa, Barangay Guadalupe this Monday dawn, January 31. The victims who were dead on the spot were 31 years old Jeneline Buntilaw and her 15-year-old daughter Hannah Uwano. Her 11-year-old daughter Joanna is currently in a critical condition. A massive manhunt operation has been conducted against the suspect, Jan-Jan Moko, who happens to be Buntilaw's boyfriend.
And her two daughters became victims of an unfortunate incident wherein ang partner aning babae sulod og pusil sa mao nga kabanay, and leading to the unfortunate death of the woman who is the mother of katong duhasad ka biktima. Ang isa sa mga bata na matay, and ang isa is critically wounded as of this time. I cannot tell right now kung asa dapita. I haven't seen the SOCO report yet, the autopsy report, but what is definite is that fatal ang wound that caused the immediate death of the mother and one of the children, katong 15 years old. The critically wounded, katong 11 years old, and still recovering in one of the public hospitals here in Cebu City.
According to police investigation, Buntilaw and Moko were in a heated argument at around 2:20 a.m. before the shooting incident. Buntilaw was allegedly a battered girlfriend, which was why she wanted to break up with Moko.
So, anyway, our intelligence operatives are out and looking for that person as of this time.
Ma'am, katong pagkaitabo ma'am, kanang naabay, kanang naglalis sila
wala magiingon sa mga witnesses nga galali sila. Gisaka gini sila at around 2 a.m. So nagpahuway sila, nangatod sila.
Moko immediately fled the crime scene on board a motorcycle which was driven by another person who was waiting outside. Since Moko was a police asset, CCPO issued a warning to any police personnel who would aid in his hiding. They are currently tracing the whereabouts of the suspect and his family. This has been Sheriza Uy from my TV Cebu.